In this video, we'll show you how to change the transfer case fluid on your Ram 1500. You can find the right transfer case fluid on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely. Lift the front and rear of your vehicle, allowing your Ram 1500 to be level so that you can remove all the fluid. Unscrew the filler hole plug using a ratchet and a 3/8 inch square socket. Start the process with the ratchet and finish it off by hand. Unscrew the drain plug using a ratchet and a 3/8 inch square socket. Start the process with the ratchet and finish it off by hand. Be careful on the last few turns. The fluid can squirt suddenly. You will have to anticipate this, making sure you have a fluid collector on hand. Let the fluid run out for about 10 minutes.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Replace the drain plug with a new one. The drain plug is normally covered with white thread locker. Otherwise, clean the drain plug well. You can use a wire brush to help you. Then screw the plug back in. Start by hand. Then finish off using a torque wrench. You can find the transfer case fluid used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Now you need to top up the transfer case fluid. Then, using an oil syringe or a bottle with a filling spout, fill until the fluid overflows from the hole, indicating that you have added enough fluid. Now you can screw the filler cap back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Clean up the fluid that overflowed.
Put your truck back on the ground.
Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.